Hi, my name is Charity Mitchell. I'm located in Frederick, Maryland. I am working at a agency, well, doing the internship at my agency that I currently work with. This agency has several programs in play, and one of the one that I'm interning in is a crisis walk-in clinic. Um, we're able to up until the COVID 19, we were able to see someone face to face. It's a free program for them to come in, meet with someone, and talk to someone. We're able to evaluate for suicidal thoughts, ideation, plans, able to do an emergency petition if they need to go to the hospital or just encourage them to go. We have started, they started just recently where we have a nurse practitioner attached to the program in order to help people who are in need of medication management between the time that they're being seen with us and they can connect to the outside, the community providers, because there's usually such a long waiting list. And What I'm hoping to get out of this placement is more face-to-face interaction with clients to give me an idea of what it's going to look like doing therapy with clients, patients when I am actually working and as therapist. What I think I like about this, the idea behind this, is that it's never like the same person. It's always someone different, and getting to have experience with several different types of situations, different diagnosis, and things like that. So I like that idea. Um, my expectations for this internship versus the generalist internship is to give me more understanding of the different modalities, different ways of interacting with different people, a little more cultural competence, dealing with different cultures, things like that, but also to build my professional language so that I feel that I have that when I'm interacting not only with the client but also with the agencies outside of this one, within the community, to feel like that I could better advocate for the children, families, and adults that I work with. So I look forward to learning a lot um, as I'm working in the agency that I've been with for 4 years, and also working within the same program doing other things. I really think that doing the internship is going to help tie what I learn in the internship and what I'm learning for my new job as a navigator through the clinic will be, I think, really beneficial for me, and hopefully hones not only my therapeutic skills um, as I meet with clients face to face, but also as I speak to them on the hotline, because I work at the Frederick County hotline as well. So I have the opportunity of honing my skills face to face as well as like on the phone with clients. So I look forward to learning so much from my field and my field internship, and from, you know, getting that experience. Thanks.